Hola mis amores, ¿cómo estamos? Welcome back to another Let's Get Cooking with Danny bitch. You already know we're gonna fuck it up today. I just wanna say, excuse the motherfucking hair. This shit is out of control, ladies and gentlemen. I got a mind of its own. This shit's gonna be bigger than Jesus one day. But for today's video, para el video de hoy, I had to be honest with you, I'm gonna be straight up. I don't know what the hell we're making today. I got a little bit inspired earlier today. I wanted to do some like stuffed chicken breast. So I got that kind of idea, and then it kind of just spurred into another fucking idea as soon as I got to the grocery store. So this is gonna be a recipe that I guess I'm creating on my own. Hopefully it works out. No, it is gonna work out, bitch, because what I'm cooking this shit, so you know damn well it's gonna be fucking delicious, bitch. But with that being said, let's get started. Oh, also I want to say shout out to my mom. My mom gave me this let me take this bitch off. My mom gave me this apron, and this is the first time I'm actually using it. So shout out to mom. Look, it's cute, right? It's hella cute. All right, ladies, let's begin. Oh, sorry, and gentlemen, sorry, I always single you guys. I apologize. All right, so this is what we're gonna be eating for today. Let's begin with the filling. All right, let's start here. All right. So here I have 3/4 of a stick of Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm just throw that bad boy in here. Alright, throw that in there. Here I'm gonna add a little bit of my jalapeno, diced jalapenos. I wanna make sure I get a little bit of those seeds in just because I want that heat, baby. Because you know damn well I'm a Latino bitch. We eat nothing but heat. Alright, here I have some of my diet cubed Munster cheese. The reason why it's cubed is because when I went to the grocery store, I found slices of Munster cheese that they like, I guess like the ends of the bulk cheese. So they kind of just throw them, slice them and throw them in a package. And I was like, fuck it, I'll make some juice out of it. So we have that in here. Here we have some artichoke hearts. So I just kind of sliced them into like thinly sliced. So we're gonna add a couple of those bad boys in there. Actually, I kind of want to add the whole thing in there. Cool, like that. And here I have my spinach that I prepped on the frying pan. Add that bad boy in there also. And this shit is gonna be fucking fantastic, bitch. Alright, so I added more cream cheese and I added more jalapenos. I also forgot, I'm totally forgot. I'm gonna add some garlic powder onto this mixture also, baby. We're gonna mix that bad boy in there. I'm gonna get off camera just because I'm gonna whip it faster that way. So here I have my filling. I only added just a tad bit of salt just because the cheese already carries some salt, the cream cheese carries some salt, the artichokes were in a brine, so they were already a little bit salty. But I'm so fucking excited, bitch. Alright, here so we have our thin slices of chicken breast. This is pollo milanesa. Where is my egg wash? Oh my god, I forgot to put my egg wash. This is the breadcrumbs that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna throw in, this is like a spoonful and a half of pollo consomme. This is just like probably 2 tablespoons of oregano, and then a tablespoon and a half of thyme. Alright, baby. Alright, babies. Alright, daddies. Let's do this. Alright, so here I have my filling, I have my plate, and then I have my thin slice of chicken breast. So I'm gonna bring this bad boy on here. Oh, she extended. I'm so sorry. Alright, so we're gonna throw this bad boy on here. We're gonna take our spoon and just cover that side of it. Coat her nicely, be generous. You want all that flavor, baby. Trust me, I promise you. Don't you ever fucking doubt me. Alright, okay, cute. She's nicely smothered. Wow, I'm impressed, bitch. This is your first time making this bullshit. Alright, so now we're gonna give this bad boy a turn. Okay, look at that. We're gonna roll her like a sushi roll. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, look at her. Wow, look at her. She looks like a little burrito, bitch. Alright, cool. Let's wash my hands a little bit. Oh, I'm so sorry. I fucked up the frame. Now we're gonna take our toothpick. Honestly, I grabbed the toothpick, to be honest with you, and I just break it in half. So we're gonna try to cover that beautiful, nice end. Just stuff that in there. We're gonna try to seal this bad boy. Okay, one here. There. Okay, she's cute. I'm gonna keep her nice and composed. Alright, so we're gonna close this one here, and then grab the other one. Alright, cute. So now we're gonna throw this bad boy into the egg wash. So we're gonna just drown this baby into the egg wash. Okay, this is gonna be my first attempt, girl. I know this shit ain't gonna be cute. Alright, boom. Nice. Alright, now we throw her into the breadcrumbs. Yes, alright. And the same way I taught you guys with the pollo de milanesa, we're gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna cover her. I'm just gonna press. And not too hard, just because you don't want the cream cheese to come out. But you want. Alright, now we're gonna turn her around. Same thing here. Cover her up. R.I.P. bitch. Into the grave of this breadcrumbs that are nicely seasoned, bitch. Alright. And then bring her up. Give a little tap on the back, bitch. Burp this bitch. Alright. And then here we go. We got one, bitch. We got one nicely done, covered. Look at her, she looks precious, she looks great. I'm gonna finish up the rest of the ones, and then we're gonna get started. Honestly, I wasn't satisfied how the first one came out, so we're gonna try this bitch again. Alright, let's see. We're gonna try to roll her nicely. Ooh, I tried to put too much cream cheese this time, but let's see if I can fold into a burrito, bitch. If I can fold into a burrito, that'd be fucking magic. That would be talent. Talent, bitch. I can fold this into a burrito. A little ball. That would be magic. That would be impossible, bitch. But we just did it! Look, we just did it! That is crazy! Bitch, do you see this? I just made this into a ball. Oh my god. I am excited. Honestly, don't take me serious on this dish today, because we are fucking being ridiculous. Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can actually cook this. Alright, let's see. I'm excited now. Oh shit, it was recording the whole time. Look, and here we have this big puppy right here. Look at this. Isn't she cute? Alright, look at that. Alright, I hope you realized that as soon as we breaded this, I hope you knew that we were gonna fry this shit, because that's exactly what my mind was like going. So alright, so we're gonna throw in our first little cute one. This was a little purse looking ass one that we had. Throw it in there. Yes, sizzle baby for me, sizzle. Here's a little hot dog looking ass one. Throw that bad boy in there. And then here's the first one we made. God bless her, she needs Jesus. Throw her in there also. Alright, look at them bounce and play. Alright, and I want to bathe these bad boys in that oil. Alright, now we're gonna flip this bad boy over. Ooh, look at how crispy she is! Oh my god, that's exciting, bitch. It looks inviting. Yes. Nice. Oh mama, look at that. Wow. That's incredible, bitch. This is thick girl food, bitch. This is some shit you find in the fucking streets. Wow. I'm impressed with myself. I'm gonna lower the heat just a little bit, just because I don't want them to cook too fast on the outside and not cook on the inside. Because remember, you gotta keep that what's it called? That filling needs to be warm. It needs to be hot. You can't have that cold filling, bitch. But, oof. She's looking divine, bitch. Look how pretty they look. Look at this. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at her. And we thought that she was gonna be the one that didn't triumph. Look at her. I misjudged her. I'm so sorry, baby. Here, usually is the part where if you dare, pull out the, what's it called? The toothpicks. The oil is hot, but I grew up on Latinas that put their fucking hands in any fucking comal, so this shit doesn't scare me. Let's do it. Let's party. That's what we came here to do. Oh my god, yes. Look at them dance in that oil. Oh, it's amazing. It's gorgeous. We did it, bitch. Alright, so it's starting to crack open. So here I have a plate with some paper towels so that it can suck up with the grease. So we're gonna pull this bad boy out first. Yes, my love, you did great, sweetheart. You, my love, you did amazing. Well, she popped in the middle. Wow, she upset. Alright, my love, let's pull you out. You did amazing, sweetie. Yes, look how beautiful these look, bitch. Amazing. Alright, taste like this. Yes, bitch, this was fucking phenomenal. This was fantastic. You know we fucking did this. We killed this bitch because what? We're fabulous. Alright, so here I have my beautiful chicken. Oh my god, look how gorgeous she is. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's precious. Look, she just wants to ooze out and greet us. Let's do it. Here I made some homemade salsa. This is some salsa de tomate that I made. I learned how to make some salsa de tomate from my stepmom. So I paired that up because I'm just like, you know what? This is a little bit of my little heritage side with a little pollo empanizado. But with some cute little like American, whatever the fuck this shit is, stuffing inside. So I want to pair these bad boys up together. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do, bitch. You know what we're gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna dunk that bitch. Yes. All right, you ready? You ready, bitch? Because I am excited, bitch. All right. Let's see. Look at her. Oh my god. Fuck yes. Look at this. She's cooked through and through. There's no pink in her, bitch. Look at her mouth. She's gorgeous. Look at her. She's oozing, bitch. Yes. Give it to me, mama. Chef organic up in this bitch, yes. Oh my god, that was amazing. Let's revisit that. I want to revisit that one more time. Oh, that's divine, bitch. That cream cheese is nice and there's oozing. It's not too much, which is amazing. Holy shit, what else can I say? Oh, the jalapeno is a nice touch. It gives it that nice heat. Honestly, I could have added more jalapenos in there. I was just scared that it was gonna be a little too hot. But honestly, I should have just thrown the whole damn thing in there because, girl, you know I love my motherfucking heat. Alright, artichoke hearts, the spinach, bitch. Oh my, you know what? Let's revisit that another time, bitch. One more time, let's see. I'm making a mess of my kitchen, girl. Oh my god, bitch, that is so good! Let me wash it down with some wine, bitch. Ooh! Ladies, let me tell you, we fucking did that shit. We did it, bitch. That was amazing. Holy shit, I am so like, I am a chef. I am a oh my god, that was hella fucking good. Well, I'm surprised. I'm hella surprised. Well, you have to try the other ones because the other ones are made a little bit differently, but we gonna give them words. I'm gonna eat them off camera. But I can't wait to eat this. With that being said, guys, don't forget to remember to like and subscribe, and please share this video with all your friends, your family, your friends of family, family of friends, all of the above. Let's do it, bitch. With that being said, thank you guys once again for watching another video. I appreciate it so fucking much from the bottom of my heart. We can watch this video up here. She's a cute one. She's actually one of my favorite ones. But we can watch this one up here also. She's kind of cute. Or we can watch this bitch right here. She's a little cutie too. You can say hi to bitch. Don't forget to subscribe to that bitch right there. Stay tuned for my next video. And yeah.